Hello children, today we will continue our class problems on arithmetic mean. Okay, see here, the mean of 11 observations is 17.5. If an observation 15 is deleted, find the mean of the remaining observations. Okay, the mean of 11 observations is 17.5. So mean x bar is equal to 17.5 and the number of observations are 11. One observation, so from the total number of observations, one observation is deleted. The value of that observation is 15. Okay, now see here, average or mean x bar is equal to 17.5. Okay, sigma xi by n is equal to 17.5. Sigma xi by n is equal to how much? Number of observations is 11 is equal to 17.5. Sigma xi is equal to 17.5 into 11. So that value is 11 5s are 55, 5 remainder, 11 7s are 77 plus 5 82, 8 remainder, 11 1s are 11 plus 8 19. So that is 192.5. Okay, this is the sum of the observations. Next, one observation, if an observation 15 is deleted, so number of observations deleted, one. Value of the observation, is 15. Okay, so sigma xi minus 15 is equal to 192.5 minus 15. So that is equal to how much? 12 minus 5, 5. 12 minus 5, 7. 8 minus 1, 7. 177.5. Next, n minus 1. Why n minus 1? From the total number of observations 11, we have to remove one observation, that is 11 minus 1, that is equal to 10. Now x bar we have to find. We have to find the mean of the remaining observations. So x bar is equal to sigma xi by n, that is 177.5 by 10. So that is equal to 17.75. So this is the mean of the remaining observations. Okay, next question. The mean of 9, 11, 13, p, 18, 19 is p. Then find p. Okay. So p is the variable here. P is the variable. The mean of these observations is also p. Okay. Now we have to find p is equal to how much? Okay. Now mean x bar is equal to sum of all observations by number of observations. So sigma xi by n, that is 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus p plus 18 plus 19 by number of observations 1 2 3 4 5 6. So its mean is equal to how much? P. Okay. Now this is equal to 9 plus 8 17, 17 plus 3 20 plus 1 21 plus 9 30, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 plus 1 6 plus 1 7, 70 plus p by 6 is equal to p. Now 70 plus p is equal to cross multiplication 6 into p 6p. Now 6p minus p is equal to 70. 5p is equal to 70. 5 1s are 5 14s are. P is equal to 14. Okay, you verify this one. Instead of this p, you write 14. See, 70 plus 14, 84. 84 by 6 is equal to 6 1 ja 6, 2 remainder, 6 4 ja 24. Okay, 14. P is equal to 14. Okay. Up to now we did how to find the average or arithmetic mean of given observations. Okay. Now when the observations occurs with the frequencies. See here, let us suppose x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on xn are the observations, and f1, f2, f3, f4 and so on fn are the frequencies. When these observations occurs with the frequencies, how to find the average or mean, arithmetic mean? See here, suppose f1, sorry, x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on xn are the observations. Next, f1, f2, f3, f4 and so on fn are the frequencies. Okay, when the observations occurs with the frequencies, how to find the average or arithmetic mean? Okay, so arithmetic mean is x bar. So x bar is equal to, how to write these two? So this can be written as f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 plus and so on fn xn. Okay, f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 and so on fn xn by sum of the frequencies. Sum of the frequencies is f1 plus f2 plus f3 plus and so on plus fn. Okay, now this x bar can be written as f1 x1 plus f2 x2 plus f3 x3 and so on fn xn can be written as sigma fi xi, where I is equal to 1 2 and so on n. Okay, sigma fi xi by, and this is sum of the frequencies, sigma fi. Okay, and x bar is equal to sigma fi xi can be written as sigma fx. Here where I is equal to 1 to n, no, I is equal to 1 to n. Here also I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, now sigma fi xi can be written as sigma fx by n. Sigma fi is nothing but n. So sigma fx by n is the arithmetic mean of the observations when the observations occurs with the frequencies. Okay. Okay. In the same way, we can find the weighted arithmetic mean also. That is, the observations are the numbers x1, x2, x3, x4 and so on xn. These are the observations, are the numbers. Occurs with the weights. Those are w1, w2, w3, w4 and so on wn. Okay. X bar is equal to average or arithmetic mean. Am is equal to x bar is equal to w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3 plus and so on plus wn xn by w1 plus w2 plus w3 plus and so on wn. Okay, now this can be written as x bar is equal to wi xi, where I is equal to 1 to n. Okay, so this can be written as sigma I is equal to 1 to n by sigma I is equal to 1 to n wi. Okay, Now x bar is equal to sigma wi xi by sigma wi. So this can be written as sigma wi xi by, or sorry, wx by w, that is with sigma. Okay, so this is the average or x bar. Okay, understood children? Based on weighted arithmetic mean, see one example, weights in kgs of 50 students or 50 children in a class, kg class, are given below. Okay, so the weights of the children are 20 kgs, 21 kgs, 22 kgs, 23 kgs, 24 kgs, 25 kgs. Okay, 20 kgs children are 4 are there, 21 kgs 5 children are there, 22 kgs 12, 23 kgs 15, 24 kgs 6, 25 kgs 8. Here we have to use weighted arithmetic mean, that is x bar is equal to w1 x1 plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3 plus w4 x4 plus w5 x5. Here how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are there. So w6 x6 by w1 plus w2 plus w3 plus w4 plus w5 plus w6. Okay, now w1 x1, so 20 into 4, 20 into 4 plus 21 into 5 plus 22 into 12 plus 23 into 15 plus 24 into 6 plus 25 into 8 by 4 plus 5 plus 12 plus 15 plus 6 plus 8. Okay, 24 jar 80 plus 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10 plus 12 2s are 24, 12 2s are 24 plus 2, 26 plus 15 3s are 45, 15 2s are 30 plus 4, 34 plus 6 4s are 24, 6 2s are 12 plus 2, 14 plus 25 8s are 200 by 6 plus 8 plus 6, 14 plus 5, 19 plus 2, 21 plus 5, 26 plus 4, 30, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5, 0 plus 4 4 plus 5 9 plus 4 13 plus 5 18, 1 1 plus 4 5 plus 4 9 plus 6 15 plus 8 23, 2 remainder, 2 plus 2 4 plus 1 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 10 plus 1 11, 11 38 by 50. Okay, now 50 52s are 100, 138, 52s are 100, 38 point here 0, 57s are 350, 306, 300. Now 22.76. So the average weight of the children is 22.76 kgs. Okay, understood children? Thank you.